Hello, Turboid Cats. Today I'm at the rodeo.
Here we go.
And here we go. Whew.
Wow. So that's, look how fast they get there, that quick. Wow, look at it digging in.
Nancy's time was a 16.350.
Well, that's cool. That is cool.
January Open on day 2, then 3, Jamie Doria, and 4, Bobby Joe Alcazar. Be ready.
Wow.
January's time was a 15.
Here we go. Like, is that a penalty when he knocks the barrel over?
Probably.
Jamie's time would have been a 15.982.
Let's see it right here. Look.
There.
Wow, look how he digs so low, man. That's crazy. That's how fast you want to go, right?
Yes.
Bobby Joe's time.
He's cruising.
Nuclear's time was a 15.263.
Fastest one.
Jasmine Mitchell, be ready.
Why is she going the opposite?
Definitely not the fastest. Ooh.
Here we go.
Got in this one too. Ooh.
He's slowing on it. Oh,
Oh.
Nuclear's time would have been a 16.0. 394. Now draft.
You think your young horse could do that? You think your young horse could do that?
Tucker, be ready.
he's doing good.
Yeah.
He should be good.
Sarah's time was a 16.040.
That's his fast one.
Next up, we're looking for number 12.
Isn't that look faster than that?
Manning on Roman, and that's a roll over to the youth. Then 13 was Tucker, and 14 Bobby Joe Roman. Be ready. Sarah's time was a 15.
Yeah. I guess you can go to either one. It don't matter which one you go to.
I like the apples.
As long as you go to one or the other. Maybe the way your horse is trained. Well, that one's digging in deep. That was a good one there, good turn. That was a good cut. That should be a pretty good one.
Carly's time was a 16.
Ooh. Tried to save it with your hand. Failed horribly and miserably.
It's about 17 seconds. Here we go. Little horse is fast.
Yeah, see? Yours is gonna be faster.
I hope too wide. Yeah? You want a runner? You can. One of my, you should say him. She did good. I bet that was a good one.
General's time was a 15.
Here we go.
Ooh, they're going fast. You're flying.
Man,
Ooh. Flying.
I'm gonna start riding them out by her place first.
Okay. Are we gonna do that tomorrow? Or wait, no, we don't have a sound armor. Jack?
Oh, this one's cruising here.
Whew. Oh my god. Wow, look at that horse go.
She's doing good.
She almost fell off.
Does it matter if you knock the barrel over?
I think it does. I think it matters a lot.
The 23, Alexander Nelson, and 24, Amanda Ballard, be ready.
Horsies!
Must be just learning.
What? Are they not timing him?
I don't think so, because she went around that one twice. I don't know what the deal was there. She's doing good. She's about your size.
Real good.
She's doing good for her. She's about your size. Hey, she's cruising.
Holy cow. Look at her go.
Ooh.
Was that a kick? Woo!
That's it. There you go.
Oh, this lady is not exactly skinny.
Amanda's time was 18.
She's cruising. She's gonna have a good time. You watch. Tight on the barrels.
She might beat it.
A little wide there. That's gonna hurt.
Ryan's time was a 16.6.
Oh, Jim.
Nope, too wide. Dun, 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 dun. Gotta go a little
That was better.
faster.
That was a lot
Dun, dun,
better.
dun, 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 dun.
That was a good
Go
one.
super fast. Dun,
First
dun,
one.
dun, dun, dun,
First
dun,
one.
dun, 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 dun.